Welcome back, friend, to a dynamic and responsive blog in PHP and MySQLi. This blog is being made by me in this course. Friend, from this video, I shall start to work on PHP. So first of all, I shall make a database. So for this purpose, I shall go to Google and here I shall write localhost /php myadmin. My XAMPP is already on, therefore I have just written this thing, and this my PHP myadmin has been opened before you in XAMPP. So friend, now I shall make the new database. So I click over the database and now here I shall give the name my_blog, and its format will remain the collation. So I shall click over create. Now this database has been made my_blog. So I click over it and now I shall make a table inside this database. Name categories. I shall give the number of rows, columns. So a number of columns, just two columns have been given to this category table. So I shall write their name. First is category_id and second one is category_title. So it is type will be the first type, second type will be varchar, the first will remain the integer. So I will click over auto increment, IE mean auto increment, and primary key. I will assign a primary key to it, primary key and auto increment. Now I shall define it is length 10. Maximum length is 254, but I have given just 10. In spite of giving 100, you can give here 255, but just I have given here 100. So now I click save. Now I click over categories and I go to structure. I click over structure and these two categories, category_id and category_title. Now I shall insert some data. So I click over insert, news, and second one is Xbox One. I click go. Now I shall click over browse and these two categories are being shown before you. First is news. First it is category ID is 1 and category ID is 2, and the second is Xbox One. Now I click over insert. I click more categories, supports, there is no need to define the ID because I clicked over auto increment missions. So I click to go. Now I click over browse and now you can see that 4 categories have been added: news, Xbox One, sports, missions. So once again I click over insert. Here I write web designing, PHP and MySQLi. Now I click over go and now I click over browse. Now friends, these 6 categories have been included. Friends, these 6 categories have been made. Now I shall open the Notepad++, my code editor. This is my Notepad++ code editor and style.cs page is already open. This is index.php. Now I shall make a new page. So I shall click Ctrl N. So I have made this new page and dummy text, and now Control S to save. Now I shall save this page inside the includes, and I shall assign a name to it, connection.php. Connection.php. I have saved this page inside the includes folder. So I press save. Friend, now I shall delete this data, this dummy. Now I shall go to my index.php, and first I shall make the connection here in this page, connection.php. I write the basic PHP syntax. Less than question mark sign PHP, and then question mark sign greater than to close. $con mean $connection. I have made this local variable is equal to mysqli underscore connection, parenthesis and semicolon to close. Double quotes, comma, double quotes, comma, double quotes, comma, double quotes. Here I shall first give the username, which is the local host, because I am working over local host, and the second one is root. It is password will be root. The third option will remain empty, and here I write the database name. The database name is my underscore blog. I show you this database name, my underscore blog. So friend, now I have made this connection, and this localhost is the name of host. It is the host name. This is actually the username. Here is the password. When you will work online in your cPanel, online cPanel, then you must write here password, and the last one is the database name. So now I shall include this connection in my index.php page. Right at the above, at the top of this index.php page. First I have made the PHP basic syntax. Here I write include, parenthesis and semicolon to close. Inside double quotes, the folder is includes. First I am writing the folder name / and connection.php. Control S to save. Friend, in this video I would like to tell you once again that I have made the database, then I have made the table, and I have made the two categories inside the table, and then I have inserted these categories inside the table. Then I have made one page on the name of connection.php inside the includes folder. This is the includes folder. This is connection.php page, and then I have made the connection here, and then I have included this connection in my index.php at the top of this page. So this video has been made enough lengthy. So I shall come back in next video. See you in next video.